What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we are back at Bombshells. I haven't been here in like 2 months, but we're gonna check it out. The weather's kind of nasty right now, so we may get some sends at the end. There's a lot of people from the takeovers we go to here right now, so we know how they get. So hopefully this show will be crazy with some crazy exits. So without further ado, let's check it out, see what's up. Alrighty guys, we start the lineup here with a Shelby Cobra, newer one. But check this out. Built engine, and that thing is humongous. I like that. With this crazy kind of, I guess it's trying to be a snake because it's a Shelby snake. I dig it with it. Harnesses and the roll cage, mad respect. And the carbon fiber hood. That's crazy. I like this car a whole lot. Alright, this car is one of my all-time favorite cars that ever has came to a Bombshells. It's a very, very nice green RX-7, and as you can see, that exhaust is not stock, and yes, this thing shoots absolutely massive flames, so hopefully we can coax them into doing that later in the day. But I love how the door handles are right there. This thing is just such a timeless car, and I really hope to have one someday and build it to my liking. Well, I did not expect to see this at Bombshells today. This is an underground racing Ferrari F430. My goodness. That is a loud train horn on a truck. But if this thing is twin turbo, which I'm looking at it right now, it is, I need to hear this thing start up and send it today. That is absolutely insane. I didn't know they made underground racing kits for this car, but everyone seems to love it. Check this out guys. I think this is the car you guys got mad at me for not knowing last time. Well, what's new? I still don't know. Y'all were like, how do you not know that's a blankety blank engine? But I know that's nitrous, and that is not stock, and it's cool. Check this out, you never see these. I know I probably just said that about the Ferrari, but a Volkswagen truck? That looks so cool, especially in this mint color on some BBSs. Look how small that engine is. That's crazy. Mint, baby, mint. That's wicked. Nice. They already got the police here. One just drove out of the parking lot. After these burnouts, you never know what's gonna happen. Oh, absolutely. Yes. I will have one, trust me. That is nice. I almost bought one of those, but it wasn't the time. Get sideways! road's a little wet. That was proper.
It's like copper. He probably
Holy Jesus! Let's see it! Holy beans!
Oh, is that the fucking I saw that.
That's the Callaway one.
Yeah, the Callaway.
God, you see the flames? Holy! Here we go, boys. Hitting his jewel. He's charging up. There's our friends. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, right in front of the cop.
What?
Uh-oh, he's gonna skirt out of here. Uh-oh.
It went over, bro. I was supposed to. Yeah.
Is she gonna do it too? They don't care. You gonna get him? He's too far now, but he got him.
I'll protect you.
GT2 RS, it's Hector. Wait, is it Hector? Oh, that's a different guy. Never mind. Oh man. Is he gonna send it for us? Man, he sure did try. The police are telling us to get off. The wannabe police. With that being said, this may be the end of bombshells. It's starting to rain, so I don't know about this one.